guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can animate stickers on CapCut PC. So go to stickers and add in the sticker that you want to use, maybe like this one or something. And to animate, you can just select, okay, maybe like not this one, maybe like this one. To animate it, just select the animation button and you can have like an in animation, or you can actually have three, so like an in animation, an out animation, and also like the one in the like middle, the loop one. So it will look something like this, but sorry, did I so it will look something like this. Okay, but you can also add in some video animations to that. Just right click and then create compound clip, and then simply go to animation, go to combo, and I like to select this one or like this one, totally up to you. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!